I've got the Hayward Goldline Pro Logic control board, and a couple days ago this display was beeping and flashing, and whatever you did to touch it, it wouldn't come up. The display wouldn't come up. It would just flash on and off. The regular cycles would work, but the board was broken. I looked online, everybody said you have to replace the part, so I figured if it's already broke, I'm going to take it apart and take a look at it. Everything looked fine. I didn't notice anything wrong with the board itself, any shorts or anything I can notice. So what I did was I took it all apart, took it out, and I noticed that there was a little bit of dampness in it, very little. And what I did was I put it into a bag of rice. I figured there's nothing that I could do, that's going to break it. I left it in the bag of rice for 3 days and plugged it back in, and it is now working. So hopefully that saves you the same way, saves your board, because right now these boards are going for about 800 bucks. I think it would work for any similar board that's Hayward, and it's definitely worth a try. So hopefully it saves you some money. Thanks.